This old and tired bedside cabinet is in dire need of a makeover. And with these handy items from Galmar, our job has become a whole lot easier and fun. We went for these antique brass curved legs to give our cabinet an extra lift. Instead of a coat of paint, you can use a universal stain and finish it off with an application of lacquer. From brushed gold to antique pewter, there are numerous handle or knob options to choose from. You might even want to add casters instead of legs. If you are a beginner in DIY, a small bedside cabinet is a great piece of furniture to practice on.
I'm excited today because we're going to be working on this bedside table, giving it some new life, reviving it and updating the knob. We're going to change the base of it as well and give it some new legs. This base has had some wear and tear, and so we're going to replace this board with one which is also white to match the top. That should hopefully give it a nice new look, and yeah, let's see how it goes. So let's start by removing this drawer, and then we'll take out this base. So this base has just been attached with some screws. So we're just gonna unscrew them, and then we can see if it comes apart easily. This is coming apart quite easily using a flat screwdriver. So here's our old base, and then this is going to be replaced. So the next step is that we're going to mask up all the areas that are painted that we don't want the stain to go onto. Cool, so I've got a drop sheet here that I'm just going to use to cover up the top so that stain doesn't get onto this paint. So we've just wrapped the top. We've chosen to go for the walnut stain on the sides. So we're going to spray the outsides and on the inside. All right, let me just move this to the side and then we can stain the drawer front quickly. So because we're gonna replace this knob, I'm gonna remove it so long, and then we can also apply the stain to the sides just to match. Cool. Now everything is ready for getting the satin lacquer finish on. The stain is quick drying, so we can put the lacquer on a few minutes after applying it. Cool, we've applied one coat of clear lacquer on. I'm going to put it down to dry for a few minutes, and then I think it should get another coat. And while that is drying, I would like to just get the base ready and put the legs on the base. So this is the new base that we're going to be using. So what I'm going to do is mark out the holes from the old base so that it can attach in the same place. And then these holes we can just drill through. And then we can finish drilling them through. And then the last step is to attach the legs. We've got these lovely brushed brass legs from Galmar. They have a wide range that you could choose from, but I think that these would add quite a nice classic touch. So I'm going to use the combination square to mark equal distance for each leg, and I've recessed them to 40 mils. I'm going to use these 16mm screws to attach the legs to the base. And that's our base. Now the rest of the bedside table should be dry, so we can attach that to the base. We're going to use 60mm screws to attach them. So this is the old knob that was on the drawer. We're going to use this nice brass knob to replace it. This knob comes with a screw, so we can just attach it straightforward. And then that's there in place. All right, that's it. We've changed the legs, the base, updated the stain, and put a new knob on the drawer.
You can shop a wide range of knobs, handles, and DIY necessities in-store or online.